Hi, how are you all doing? So here I have recorded this video from my blog about failing NCLEX RN. I know it's depressing, but stay calm and you can do it, and yeah, take a break if you can. Stay balanced, that's most important. I have also written about the free resources I used for preparing NCLEX. I will link down below the notes which I had made simple, and there's also farm notes. Yeah, it's easy. Feel free to write questions in the comment and check my blog for read more about nursing. And thank you for watching. If you are using social media like YouTube, Instagram, stay connected. Okay, bye bye.